Show me my moves. Show me some of your moves.
I'm trying how to do my hair for me.
How to do your hair? Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. You silly girl.
Whoa! Good job! Okay, so what are your other moves at dance?
Yeah, what are your other
What else
moves?
do you do at dance?
I
Show
don't
Chuck.
want to do it.
You don't want
How about your
to,
backwards
but
one?
you can watch it later.
No.
No?
Okay.
Oh,
That's
you gonna dance to this?
Woo!